Hey, today we bought this truck and it's a logger truck. Let's see. Oh, look at that. 15. Where is it?
15.
That's cool. Again, it's a truck to carry logs. Let's unbox it now.
Got that one.
Okay, rip it off then. Whoa, which one? We have already one? Yeah, we have that.
That one.
Well, show me that. Which one you saying? This right? Alright. We have the road roller here. Okay. Ooh.
Whoa. Unbox it now.
Unbox it. Rip it off. Is it too hard?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Unbox it straight. Unbox it this way. Ready?
That way? Oh, this is tied up. Yeah. Twisty. Yeah. Twisty. Oh, okay, we can unscrew it. You don't need to cut it. This is the screw, I think. Look at that. Ooh. Wow.
What about unboxing this wood?
Oh, the logs. How many logs you got? Oh, man. Count it, count it. Count the logs. Got 9 logs. Wow. And there's a grabber. Okay, we need a scissor to cut it. That's tied here. Okay. Look at that. It's a nice one. Yeah, it might be sharp. Oh,
Dude, holy poly.
it's hot.
Yeah, holy poly.
Okay. Wow, now comes and picks the log one by one. That's the game we're playing now. Oh, can you extend this? Pull it and see if it comes up. What? Wow, that's cool. Grab one more, grab. Wow, you grabbed. Cool. Nice one. We have a lot of logs to carry today, isn't it?
This is logging truck.
Logging truck here. Wow. He is a very good grabber. This grabber. What happened to this grabber? Oh, okay.
You're supposed to do that. You're supposed to do it with your finger.
Okay. Heavy duty truck, and you can
lower
press it here.
You can
Heavy duty truck carrying big logs.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6 logs. 6 more to go, then we will be filled up. Whoa, that is cool.
You mean the cool truck? You mean the truck is cool?
Yeah, man. very tight. Wow. Yeah, remember that. Okay, this also, if you press this, makes other sound. 4 more logs to go. That's a good idea to take out the log. Or you can pull it. Good job. Hey, Mr. Logger, I'm still ready to. Logs are all of the same sizes. You guys got light too? Oh, I didn't know that. You can drive at night.